Hey everybody. So I wanted to come on live and just do a few little updates, give you some updates. We are still open. We are open normal hours this week at least. So depending on whether school gets canceled next week or not, because that's all up in the air right now, please follow our Facebook page so that way you can keep up to date. My issue is not like my work schedule, but it's making sure that my kids are, we have people to watch them. And if my husband can work from home at times, but we have to figure out our schedule if that were to happen. The other thing I want you guys to know, like I'm in the kids' room right now, and there's literally like, I'm going to turn it around. You can see there's no toys anymore. So, yep, we've already taken all the toys out. They've been out all week. We have been wiping off the tables and doorknobs after every single person has been adjusted, all the families and everything. The other thing I want you guys to know is we are really thinning the schedule. So we have really talked to so many people because school is not on right now. And they've been great so far as hey, this is a really busy time. Can we move you? Are you flexible to move? So that way we can really thin it out and you don't have the huge crowds that are normally here, especially during those after school times. So we have really thinned it so it doesn't get super chaotic anymore. If you are worried about that, please call the office so that way we can schedule you at a better time. If you have any sickness at all, if you have a cold, if you've had a fever or anything like that, you guys, please call the office beforehand, ask to talk to me, and we can discuss can you come in and what time can you come in? Because I'm totally all on board for staying later so you're my last patient of the day so we're not exposing anybody else. So I totally get that. And it's really just to make sure everybody in our office feels comfortable. So I want to feel comfortable with you. I want my other practice members to feel comfortable with everybody else that's in here. So it's really just precautionary, or it's if you're having that, let's go to your primary care physician. So just know that we are taking those precautions. Make sure that you are letting me know if you are sick and whatnot before you even come. If you're hey, I want to make sure nobody else is in there and you come and you drive up, you can always text us, text back with your, text our office. So that way we know hey, they're out in the parking lot. They're waiting for the next person to come to go out so that they can come in. If that's a concern of yours, you guys, we are willing to work with you any way that we can. So that way you're coming in, getting those adjustments, which are so important right now. Remember, as you get those adjustments help boost that immune system. And that's what we're here for. We're not here to treat anything. We are here to boost your immune system, to get your body functioning the best that it can, especially to deal with all of this stress, because this is so uncharted territory for all of us. And we are really doing our best. So keep an eye out on all of that stuff. Let us know if you have been sick previously or feeling sick now, any respiratory things going on. We're doing everything that we can in the office. Just know that, as far as cleaning and spacing everybody out, because that is kind of difficult to space everybody out at times. But everybody's been super, super great about working with us to make sure everybody is feeling comfortable. But we are open, but keep an eye out for next week, because I just don't know with the school schedule. If school is canceled, how do I manage that with my kids this week or next week? Because I had my father-in-law watched our 3-year-old this week, and he's loving it, and my 3-year-old is loving it. But that's not going to be the case every single day. So please follow our Facebook page, you guys, for any updates. If you have any questions whatsoever, please call our office, talk to Ada, or ask to talk to me, and we are going to be doing our best. So take care, you guys. And hopefully you all are handling this as best as you can. So we'll talk to you again later. Bye.